Hello, I'm Josh Campbell.
And I'm Leah Keys.
And we are Spill It.
I love stories. I really became addicted to that personal connection, that emotional connection that you feel with these strangers who are far away, but you share in this common emotion. I wanted to hear stories from Memphis. I knew that the people in my community had stories, and I wanted there to be a place for people to tell others their stories face to face, more or less, and create a different outlet.
If you can find the one thing that everybody can relate to and expand it to this huge story, then that's easy to tell a story because we can all relate to it and we can all connect with it.
People who are all having completely different experiences here in Memphis, they can all come to this place and hopefully find something in these stories that they can all relate to and feel that same connection, that validation.
It opens you up to a whole new experience of people wanting to hear what you have to say, also helping them kind of through their journey. It just creates a connection that really pays off. We've had storytellers that come back after and say, I can't believe it. Right after I told that story, someone came up to me in the grocery store and said, I had that same experience.
It's a really special connection that the storyteller and the audience establish. Even though the audience is just listening, listening is huge.
So yeah, let's make Memphis better, but also let's make the world realize that Memphis is a great place. There's so much here, there's so many stories to tell, and if we can share them with each other, then we can start sharing them with the world.
There's more that's happening here. There needs to be a place for it to come out, and Spill It is a good place for that.
I think our mission is so interesting because it's about finding personal connections, but then connecting everybody in the world through storytelling. So it's a small mission and the biggest mission possible. So that's what we're trying to do.